How to fix Counter-Strike for macOS not uninstalling. Counter-Strike for macOS doesn't have a traditional installer or uninstaller. Instead, you'll need to manually delete the game files from your computer. Here's how you can do it. 1. Open the Finder application on your Mac. 2. Navigate to the folder where you installed Counter-Strike. By default, this should be in the Applications folder. Refer to the IMG below. 3. Drag the Counter-Strike application to the trash. 4. Open the library folder in your user directory. You can do this by clicking on the Go menu in the Finder and holding down the Option key. Select the library option that appears. 5. Navigate to the Application Support folder and delete the Counter-Strike folder. 6. Empty the trash to permanently delete the Counter-Strike files from your computer. Please note that some game files may be stored in other locations on your Mac, such as in your user's documents or downloads folders. If you have any custom maps or other game content, you'll want to manually delete those files as well. For starters, use the recommended Clean My Mac X in this video guide.